Good morning, student. In algebra second chapter we will start quadratic equation. In first chapter it was a simultaneous equation. So there are two type of the variable in same equation, AB or XY or MN or PQ, but this is a quadratic equation. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? You need two power in the equation, not more than 2, not less than 2. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. So the power of polynomial 2, it is compulsory. If it is more than 2, not a quadratic equation. Less than 2, not a quadratic equation. For example, a, b, c, you can write any positive, negative value. For example, 3x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Example number 1. Example number 2. Take all minus 2x square minus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. You can take plus minus together. Minus 5x square plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation standard form. In that, these are the example. Now we have to identify it is a quadratic equation or not. For example, x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2 by 1. So 1 x, x 1 x, 1 x. What you have to write under this product of rest of, under this product of rest, under this product of rest. So this into this, it is x square, this into this, plus 1, this into this. Now this comes this side, x square minus 2x plus 1. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. That is why it is a quadratic equation. One more, x plus 2, x minus 5. X into full bracket 2 plus 2 into full bracket. Now this into this, x square, this into this into this. Two into 5. So x square, this is minus 3x minus 10. This is also ax square plus bx plus c type. It is a quadratic equation. Now one more it is given, m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. Now I will take this side, m cube 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Not in form of ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, not a. If these two are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then it is a quadratic. If it is not in the form of that, not a quadratic. One more question. Y square plus 1 by y is equal to 2 by 1. So under this product of these two, under this product of these two, under this product of these two, this into this y cube plus y 2y y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. See, cube means not in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, y cube 2y plus 1 is 0. Not a quadratic equation. Now we have to find out a, b and c coefficient. For example, 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. This comes this side, so become plus. This will remain here, so plus. This will transfer, so minus 10. Compare with, instead of x they have given y, so what we will write, a y square by plus c is equal to 0. Compare, nothing is given, so 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 10. Similarly, p in bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. This into this, 3p, 6p square minus 5. Arrange higher order first, then decreasing order. This comes this side, so plus 5. It is in the form of p, not in x, so ap square plus pb plus c is equal to 0. Compare a is equal to 6. Compare b is equal to, compare c is equal to 5. One more example is there, x minus 1 all square, 2x plus 3. A minus b square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means square of first term, this into this product of all, minus minus plus. So x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 3 is equal to, this comes this side minus, this comes this side minus. So x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Write standard equation by comparing ax square plus bx plus c. What is a? You can write 1. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 2. One more example, x square minus 9x is equal to 3. Sorry, x minus 9 is equal to 3x. Arrange x square minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Compare ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 if nothing is given. Compare with sign, minus 3. Compare with sign. Now, possibility of the solution are given. You have to find out, these are the solution or the root. There are two words. It is a solution of the equation or a root of the equation. Same. Very simple and very important pattern of this quadratic equation. It is given that x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Check x is a solution or not. So left hand side, only left hand side. Left hand side is what? X square plus 4x minus 5. Correct. So substitute x is equal to 1. 1 square plus 4 1 minus 5. So 1 plus 4 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0 is equal to right hand side Therefore x is equal to 1 is a solution or a root. Same for that, x square plus 4x minus 5, x is equal to given minus 1. So left hand side, x square plus 4x minus 5 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So 1 minus 4 minus 5, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8, is not equal to 0, is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to minus 1, not a solution. If by substituting left side right side equal, then it is a solution. If by substituting left side right side are not equal, it is not a solution. One more example I am selecting. 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. It is given m is equal to 2. Left hand side, 2m square minus 5m. So 2 in between, 2 square, 5, 2 square. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 5 to the 10. So it is minus 2. Is not equal to 0, is not equal to right hand side. Therefore m is 2 is not a solution for this equation. Correct. One more of same, 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0. Substitute now m is equal to 5 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 minus 5 into 5 by 2. This will cancel, so 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2 is equal to 0, is equal to right hand side. Therefore m is equal to 5 by 2 is a solution of given equation. So you have to substitute in that equation and you have to find out left side is equal to right side, then it is a solution. If left side and right side are not equal, then it is not a solution. Two very important question of this exercise, question number 6 and 7. Question number 6. Now solution is given and you have to find out unknown. Very important. 6th question. 5m square plus 2m plus k unknown is given is equal to 0 and m is equal to minus 7 by 5 is a solution or a root of equation. Therefore, when we have to check that it is a solution of not, at that time only left side and right side we have to compare. But when already it is given that it is a solution, use full equation. So substitute m is equal to minus 7 by 5 in equation. So 5 minus 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5 plus 2 minus 7 by 5 plus k is equal to 0. 5 will cancel, minus 49 plus minus plus and 49 minus plus 5 common, 49 minus 14 plus k, 49 minus 14, 35 by 5 plus k, this cancel, 7 plus k is equal to 0, k is equal to minus. So we have to find out the solution, right? One more it is given in fifth sum, kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. If it is a solution, find k. Find k. So x is equal to 3 is a solution. Therefore, by substituting x is equal to 3, k 3 square 10 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. 9k 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. This is minus 27. So 9k is equal to 27. 27 by 9. So k is equal to 3. That is unknown. So dear student, try to understand this method. Write in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.